Welcome back to the channel today. We've got a case that's small in dollars, but massive in drama. Imagine working for a giant corporation, only to have your hard-earned pay clawed back by mistake, and then fighting just to get less than $100 returned. That's exactly what happened to Mr. Watson, a DoorDash driver who claims his bank reversed his payment in error, and now he's forced to take DoorDash to court. But here's the twist: DoorDash doesn't even bother showing up. This isn't just about $88.18. It's about accountability, persistence, and whether an individual can stand up against a billion-dollar tech company. Stick around, because as the judge unravels the case, you'll see just how quickly things can turn when one side refuses to even walk into the courtroom. Would you take a company like DoorDash to court over less than $100? Let us know in the comments, because this driver did, and he may just walk out with more than money on the line.
Office Watson.
Is anybody here for DoorDash?
No, Your Honor, I've not had anyone check in.
Do we have...
It was served by certified mail. I believe a copy of the signature card is attached to your packet.
Looks like Uvalde. I'm not going to swear you in yet. Just tell me what happened.
On March 18th this year, I received a deposit from DoorDash of $88.18. On March 21st of this year, there was a reversal of when my bank had sent the money back because they thought it was fraud, but it wasn't fraud. It was a mistake on my bank end. I reached out to DoorDash and let them know the hiccup that my bank had made and sent the money back to them. And all they keep telling me was, we paid you on March 17th.
You work for DoorDash or something?
Yes, Your Honor.
So you worked for DoorDash, you were DoorDashing, they gave you money, and then somehow the bank reversed it?
Correct, Your Honor.
Have you called them?
I called the bank. When I called the bank said, and when I communicated with them, they said there was nothing that they could do about it because the money has left their account. I had to communicate with DoorDash. So I called DoorDash and they just say, we already paid you. They're not paying the money that they...
And that's for how much?
$88.18.
Why do you have $116.17 it looks like circled over here?
$12 for the...
I see, the court costs?
And then there's also the $4 for the ATM fee. Because court costs, court fees, all.
What was the $4 ATM fee? What do you mean $4 ATM fee?
I had to withdraw from the ATM that's in the hallway out here.
Yeah, I can't really give you that. Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear affirm under penalties of perjury the testimony you'll give in these proceedings will be the whole truth so help you God.
I affirm.
Okay. Why did you need to take the money out of the court ATM? I'm not sure. Is that to file the complaint?
Yes, I had to pay $12 and then I had to use the ATM machine for the thing, so it was $16.
I can't give you that.
It was a total cost of $16.
I know, I just can't give you that. So the total amount that they owe you is $88.18. I can give you the 12. For your filing fee. So unless I'm missing something, this should come to $100.18. Is that right?
Yes. Correct.
It seems like this could have been handled. You called them and they just said, we're not paying you?
I have sent multiple emails. I have sent multiple chats.
This moment says it all. Mr. Watson didn't just fire off one complaint. He called, emailed, and even used chat support multiple times. Yet DoorDash's response was always the same. We already paid you. Think about that for a second. A multinational company, making millions every day, wouldn't lift a finger over a single driver's paycheck, leaving him no choice but to sue. This isn't just frustrating. It highlights a real imbalance between everyday workers and the corporations they depend on. Should a gig worker really have to escalate to court for $88? Or does this show why so many people argue that gig economy jobs leave workers vulnerable and without real recourse? Drop your thoughts below, because this case is shining a light on a much bigger problem than just one missing deposit.
They just keep saying we already paid you. No.
Well, they didn't do anything. They didn't show up. They could have. At any rate, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give you the judgment. Default judgment. Defendant failed to appear. It seems strange that you're suing you deal with the San Francisco, California company as opposed to a local company here?
I do not understand your question, man.
Well, you're suing DoorDash in San Francisco, right?
Yes.
Isn't there like a local DoorDash regional office or something here or not?
It's an app that you download on your phone. So I had to look up their headquarters and send it out to them. There's no one no faces, no offices or anything.
In Michigan?
Not that I'm tracking, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, good enough. They didn't answer, so I'm not going to question it. I'll give you that judgment. I filled it out. I wish you well. You can go down the hall. They'll give you a copy of the judgment.
And there it is, the power of persistence. With DoorDash failing to appear in court, the judge rules in Watson's favor, awarding him $100.18, including filing fees. It may not sound like much, but in this courtroom, it's a victory that underscores a crucial point. When big corporations fail to act responsibly, the law can still step in to balance the scales. For Mr. Watson, this wasn't just about the money, it was about principle, fairness, and standing up for himself when a company wouldn't. Cases like this remind us how important it is to know your rights and to fight when you've been wronged, no matter the amount. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next.
Judgment's entered by default. Thanks. Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day.
We're going to pick up the...
You can go right down to the civil department. He'll bring the file down and they'll give you a copy of the judgment.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Hey, you walked in here looking like a lawyer, and that's a good thing. Too many people come in looking like they're going to a ball game or something.